using some cheap headphones with a built-in microphone to talk to you. And this is my soft-spoken voice for the most part. I'm testing it out on the microphone. Hopefully it sounds good. Let me know, please, and thank you. And now, this is what my phone sounds like with me speaking. I was forced to upgrade to a Samsung Galaxy S5 by my service provider, but that's a different story for a different time. So if either of these sounds good enough, let me know, and I'll start using this to record videos a lot more. It has an excellent camera, and we're going to see about sound quality. Just to let me know if you like the phone or the microphone on the headphones better. And if it's even, I'll use them both, or whatever you prefer. So, thank you, and I will be seeing you guys very shortly. Oh, and I make a lot of things, and I've been making a lot of Christmas decorations. So, I was wondering if you guys wanted to see a quick room tour, and I will show you a lot of the DIY things I'm currently making. So, if you're interested, send me a message or leave me a comment.